Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So we take a look here at the GC futures chart, gold futures, and the market is open. New trading week is starting. So far we can only identify sideways consolidation here. No major downward pressure. Market starts pretty neutral, I would say. Certainly not impulsive to the downside. So if you remember from last video, the idea is that we are probably in the late stages, I would say, of a rally. And this would be the rally in this larger degree third wave, which already started in December. Let's move down here. Started already in December. That was here the B wave, but actually the larger degree third wave, let's say the fifth wave in that larger degree third wave started already in November. So we have an A, B, C structure to the upside. Market has been following it nicely. We've got two scenarios, either the white count, where a deeper B wave is possible, still unchanged, with support between $2,673 and $2,777. And then there's the upper support area between 2,782 and 2,852. This would be for the yellow scenario, in which the current, let's say, correction, there isn't really much of a correction, to be honest, but this current correction could be an A, B, C structure in wave 4. Because of the high B wave, though, we might never reach the orange support area. We might stay above the upper trend line here, and we might reach the blue zone, 2,890 maybe. But for now, I have to say there isn't really that much clarity here on the micro level. It was pretty clear last week, the week before. Now we just see a little bit of sideways consolidation. So I think we need to wait for a little bit of clarity with regards to whether the market wants to follow through to the upside very directly, which would be the green scenario. And bear in mind, you see that everywhere here. The movements are three-wave structures. So also the wave 1 was a three-wave move, the third wave in yellow. So the fifth wave would also have to be an ABC structure. So in the green scenario, we already said that it's possible that the fourth wave already bottomed here. It would be a very weak wave 4, though. Then this would probably be something like ABC in wave A. Then we get a B wave pullback, and then a direct move up in wave C. So this would be a more directly bullish pathway. We need to consider that. For now, I think the parameters are very clearly defined. We are far away from any meaningful support level right now. We're just below the trend line. So for now, I would say there is a chance for at least short-term lower in the coming days. But any sustained and decisive break above the trend line could indicate the market is taking a direct path higher. The trend line is not so relevant. There isn't a lot of data there. So we'll take that with a grain of salt. Had this been a trend line that, developed over the last couple of weeks with lots of touch points, it would be different. But we only have 2 touch points, so it's not super reliable. And there isn't really that much downside pressure either. So I remain open towards a break higher, but again, it's not the most reliable signal for a long trade, in my view, because we don't really have great data, so it's not a high-quality trend line. Sometimes these can be good signals if we have, let's say, lots of chart history, but here we don't. So overall, the situation hasn't really changed. I think we need to be ready for a little bit of downside, so it wouldn't be surprising at all, and it would also not be a problem for the overall bullish scenario. But in the very short term, I don't see a lot of downside pressure. It looks rather corrective to the downside, and the metals remain bullish, I would say, in the medium term, or let's say in the short term bullish. In the very short term, there is a chance for a little bit of a pullback, maybe even towards 2,890. That would be my preference, but I'm not sure if I'm going to see this. We will have to monitor price action very, very closely. And if we break out directly from here, then as per the green scenario, it would be A wave up, B wave down, C wave up more directly in the green scenario. And then ABC in wave A is already done. This is some kind of a B wave pullback. But even then, it would be ideal to see the price go down a little bit lower. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.